is Sharron and I'm an Executive Director at the ICAEW. The ICAEW is a professional membership organisation supporting over 138,000 chartered accountants around the world. Through our technical knowledge, skills and expertise, we provide insight and leadership to the global accounting and finance profession. ICAEW is a founder member of the Global Accounting Alliance, which represents over 785,000 of the world's leading professional accountants in over 165 countries around the globe to promote quality services, share information and collaborate on important international issues. In 2005, the listed groups of Europe adopted IFRS. In response, there were a number of training providers who entered the market offering to fulfil the need for training. Training was offered by the big accountancy firms, universities, independent trainers, as well as less reputable companies claiming to be IFRS specialists. The big question was, how could an employee or an employer verify that the chosen provider was fit for purpose? ICAEW believed that it was part of our requirement to act in the public interest to develop a qualification so that those who had genuine expertise could demonstrate it and those who had not could obtain it cost effectively, allowing an employer to be confident that the relevant employees have an intermediate knowledge of IFRS. Europe has been using IFRS for nearly 10 years if you include the transition period, and the process was by no means a straightforward one. The suite of qualifications has also evolved over time. ICAEW now has a number of programs available, and we are delighted to have been working with FBM Escola de Negocios for the last 12 months to provide access to the ICAEW certificates in IFRS and IFRS for SMEs. FBM Escola de Negocios are currently the only business school in Brazil providing the opportunity to study for these certificates. There has been a considerable body of independent research that shows that one of the areas where IFRS can go wrong is in the training of staff, not just the implementation team, but general staff as well. Knowing the fundamentals of IFRS is important for everyone involved in the recording of transactions and making decisions on pricing and cash collection in contracts. In fact, knowing when something is an issue is one of the key ways to keep costs managed. As IFRS becomes increasingly relevant in the world, having the ability to navigate a path to adoption is a highly marketable skill, but you or your employer need to have confidence in that skill. The ICAEW certificates in IFRS and IFRS for SMEs are supported by ICAEW's reputation as a professional body with global recognised qualifications. Every individual around the world that passes exams can be verified by current or prospective employers. For employers, having the confidence that a new recruit or existing member of staff has the abilities that they are being employed for is critical and can save money on initial training. The ICAEW learning and assessment programs offered by FBM Escola de Negocios will ensure that all staff up to an intermediate level are able to digest any additional specialised training required.